This is the installation video for DMCL's ScanTo AP application. First, download and run the installer from DMCL's website. On some versions of Windows, you may get a warning. Please accept and run this application. Install it anywhere you like and run ScanTo. You will be greeted with a login for your Postgres database. You entered this information when installing Spire for the first time, and the username and password may not be the same as your Spire username and password. Talk to your system admin if you do not know the Postgres database. Here we are going to connect to localhost, so we can either type in localhost or leave it blank. Our default user is Postgres, and I'll type in my password. And select the company in Spire that I would like to use ScanTo for. If you do not have the Visual Studio C++ 2015 redistributable installed, you'll need to install it. Clicking OK will open the website for you to install it. Please select the x86 version. This will allow you to install and run any program written in Visual Studio 2015. Relaunch ScanTo from the Start menu. Ideally, you will have a scanner installed, but it is not required. Now, we will visit the registration website by clicking on this link and get a 1-month free trial. Please type in your email, as we will send the key to your email. If you do not find the email, please check your spam folder. Copy the registration key and paste it into ScanTo. And everything worked.